Go.
Pay attention.
Go. Brian trying to get a little bit of space out there so he can try and take this wire to wire. Then he rolls it in the turkey flip, ends up on his tires and able to keep going. Looks like Dominic might be in second right now, followed by Jeremiah. As they come down the straight. Oh, Dominic having a little trouble on the turn jump. After lap number one, it's Brian, Jeremiah, Mike, Dominic, Emily, and Matt. Looks like a little bit of trouble going through the four-pack. Wonderful marshalling out there by Brendan. Dominic has trouble, and then looks like Mike Buck might have went, or no, Emily went straight into him. Wow, and Jeremiah off to the lead. Yes, that is the little kid up on the driver's stand that's only driven like twice this year. He takes a tumble. Brian takes the lead back over. Coming down the straight, this is first and second. Brian with Jeremiah all over him, going over the double. Now they're into the four-pack, taking it. Oh, Brian taking a double-double. Jeremiah taking a triple-single. Then kind of giving Brian a little nudge to get around him. You may want to give him the lead back, Jeremiah, as that was not quite fair. Two minutes in, 8 minutes to go. It's still Jeremiah, Brian, Emily, Dominic, Mike, and Matt. Looks like Brian has taken the lead back over. Brian kind of tumbling, Jeremiah catching back up to him. Although Jeremiah goes upside down in the four-pack, giving Brian a little bit bigger lead. Dominic coming up now on to Jeremiah. Still Brian, Jeremiah, Dominic, Emily, Mike, and Matt. Looks like Ninja Bob out there getting quite the workout, using his ninja skills. Race order still Brian, Jeremiah, Dominic, Emily, Mike, and Matt. We have 6 minutes remaining, 6 minutes. Looks like we're halfway through. It's still Brian, Jeremiah, Mike Buck, Emily, Dominic, and Matt. Just under 4 minutes remaining. It's still Brian, Jeremiah, Dominic, Emily, Mike, and Matt. Looks like Brian coming up on to Jeremiah to put him a lap down. Dominic and Jeremiah are battling it out for second place. Looks like Dominic is in second right now. With 2 minutes remaining, still Brian, Dominic, Jeremiah, Emily, Matt, and Mike.
There's third.
Looks like Emily's all over
Go.
Jeremiah, literally. Looks like Emily might have taken over Jeremiah there. $1:30 to go.
Creeping on second. He's over on his lid. There it is.
Less than a minute to go. It's still Brian, Dominic, Emily now in third. Jeremiah, Matt,
There's second.
and Mike.
Go, go. Stay calm.
Looks like maybe Emily might have just taken over Dominic and then given it back and then taken it again. We will see as they come down the straight right now. Yes, Emily has moved into second place. Dominic in third, then Jeremiah, Matt, and Mike. 5 seconds. This may be your last lap. It is. Time has expired. When you cross the line, your race is over. Matt, you are done. Brian with the win. You are done. Emily, you're done with second place. Mike Buck, Dominic, and Jeremiah. That's a race.